Furniture usually asks for compromise, comfort or space, style or function. The HANXIN 78-inch convertible sleeper sofa bed quietly ignores that rule and does its own thing. It is big without feeling bulky, soft without losing structure, and flexible without turning into a mess of parts. In small homes, studios, apartments, or even campers, that balance matters more than marketing promises. At first glance, the size sets expectations. As a love seat, the sofa stretches wide and deep enough to seat 3 adults comfortably. There is room to sprawl, lean, curl up, or share the space without elbows competing for territory. Pulled out, it transforms into a generous floor bed that feels closer to a king-size lounge than a temporary sleep solution. Movie nights turn into full-body experiences. Guests stop asking for extra blankets because the surface itself already feels inviting. Comfort is where this sleeper sofa earns its reputation. The high-density foam creates that rare mix of softness and firmness. It gives under pressure, but springs back without sagging. Sitting feels supported. Lying down feels calm and even. Long naps do not leave the body stiff or sore. The foam holds its shape impressively well, even in high-traffic homes with pets, kids, or constant daily use. No visible dips, no tired-looking cushions, no signs of early wear after months of real life. The corduroy upholstery plays a quiet but important role. The small streak texture adds warmth and depth, making the sofa feel more like a cloud than a couch. It is breathable, cozy, and visually soft, fitting easily into modern, relaxed, or minimalist spaces. The color palette stays soothing instead of loud, allowing the sofa to blend rather than dominate. It does, however, come with an honest trade-off. Corduroy can hold onto pet hair, especially coarse fur, and while spot cleaning works well, removable covers would have made maintenance easier. This is not a deal breaker, just a reality for pet-heavy homes. Unlike traditional futons, this sofa uses a fixed-shape frame. That decision pays off every day. The structure keeps everything aligned and stable, whether used as a couch or fully extended as a bed. Non-slip pads underneath prevent sliding on wood, tile, or carpet, which adds a surprising sense of security. Even leaning heavily on armrests or sitting along the back does not cause shifting. The cylindrical pillows add extra comfort, especially for lounging or side sleeping, without feeling decorative or unnecessary. One of the most appreciated details is the lack of assembly. No tools, no confusing instructions, no leftover bolts wondering where they belong. The sofa arrives ready to use. It does need time to fully expand after unpacking, about 72 hours, but patience is rewarded. Once settled, the shape becomes full, balanced, and consistent. Modularity adds another layer of flexibility. The pieces can be rearranged into a large floor bed, making it ideal for sleepovers, guests, or lazy weekends. It works better than an air mattress and feels more intentional than a makeshift solution. The components are substantial and slightly heavy, which adds durability but can make solo rearranging a bit awkward. A second set of hands helps, though it remains manageable for those used to handling furniture on their own. This sofa feels designed for real life. Dogs claiming armrests, people studying, eating, resting, and watching the world go by. Long evenings turning into naps. Small homes demanding more from every square foot. The HANXIN 78-inch convertible sleeper sofa bed does not chase luxury labels. It focuses on comfort, space, and reliability, and delivers them with quiet confidence.